Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We have 3 kits here along with a reformatted pop mystery, so stay tuned for that. But all these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, so let's go ahead and get into them. First things first is we do have some additional foil colors for the months. I will go ahead and put these in the new release section at new release time, but this is the January through December in this font, and we already have like the core plus I think white and black, but there's lavender hollow, there's champagne lights, there's matte bronze, there's also gonna be matte silver as well as gold hollow. Super pretty. So those will be added to the stock. We do have some new scribblers this week. I feel like my scribblers and my characters are really off as far as my schedule goes, as you'll see also next week, but we have some witches for the scribblers this week. Honestly, I'm just behind, but that's okay. Happens every once in a while. So this is number 56, and it does come in the normal 6 scribbler options. They are super duper cute and perfect for spooky time, and they'll be great for every year, even though this year it's basically almost over. But if you're back planning, it's perfect. Then we have the characters for this week, which we do have Eeyore, which was requested, along with Tigger, which was requested, along with Wally, which was also requested. So this is 1, 20, 21, and 22. Then I have 2 restocks for the grab bags. So this one I believe has like 2 or 3 left, but this one is completely sold out. So I'll put both of these in the new release section. So this is the ombre heart checklists, and I believe there's 10 in here, 10 random ombre heart checklist sheets. And then this one here is the like doodle grab bag, 10 sheets, and this is the add-on version. So there's a version that is just like a random sheets of doodles. This is like the add-on. So it looks like this, but different colors. So perfect. Those have been sold out for a little bit, so we are going to go ahead and restock those. And then the foil bundle for this week is so pretty. Let me show you. I think this is perfect for Christmas and winter spreads, but this is a really pretty, it's like a hollow tinsel. We had like a gold tinsel recently. This is hollow tinsel in the confetti version too. So you have the 6 full boxes and glitter header overlays, the bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, along with the bottom washi, the not date covers, headers, the fancy, what am I doing? Fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the bottom washi. Sometimes I just lose my train of thought, and that will be on special pricing. So you'll get a little discount on that from Wednesday through Sunday, which a lot of y'all have been asking about color of the week and if I'm just forgetting it. And I've just been taking a little break from color of the week, but if you have any specific colors that you're looking for to maybe inspire me, that you're really wanting, let me know in the comments down below, whether it is a hex code, a just generalized like dark blue, and you want me to go wild with it, or like, let's say you really like this color, like the lighter blue in this kit, let me know. Or any kit that you have, just let me know. So let's go ahead and go through the new art first, because technically everything else that I'm releasing is a reformat, which is fun. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is Winter Kisses, showing it to you in Ultimate, but all the kits this week do come in Ultimate and Mini, and this has like a faux gold glitter throughout. So I love this art. It's perfect winter art, so romantic. I think this will be so fun with, oh, I love the little clouds in the background. It'll be so fun with snow foil, like a gold snow, or even like a silver, like a matte silver snow would be really pretty with this as well. Just really love these colors. I love the papers. I love everything. Like these, I think, are just so pretty and whimsical and perfect for the winter. Definitely going to be using this in January, and I thought that'd be perfect for a quote. The freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is the alternate skin tone boxes for those. And then let me show you the add-on options. So there is the label, and then there's label 2, which is a really pretty like cool toned gray. There is also fashion, which is super cute. So let me show you what's in there versus this one. There is none, so you know, it's a different one. And then doodle, ombre, functional, and then we do have fam, which are adorable. Like, it's annoying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking pretty. I'm in love with this kit, and I cannot wait to use it. It's gonna look so good laid out, and I just think the foil is going to be the hard part, honestly. So let me know what you're thinking in the comments down below. Then let's go through the reformats. So this is a reformat from the mystery from last year. This is Snow Fairy. This is exclusive art. Super pretty, super gorgeous, super fun. I love this spread laid out. There's so many foil options that go perfectly with this, but I think now that I have it, I think that the lavender hollow and I think it's lavender hollow, sparkly hollow would be perfect with this. But also like the butterfly foil would be really pretty with this. Snow foil would be fun with this. There's lots of options. I think rose, lavender hollow, hollow, silver, those kind of vibes are what I would go for. So the full box is here. And then the glitter header page with the extra boxes on top. I love everything about this one as well. The papers, the colors, everything. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the extra scene here. You could totally split and do some quotes on it, or you can leave it as a scene. Same with this one there as well. As per always, this was definitely a fan fave of last year and a perfect winter kit. So cute. I feel like even with the addition of pink, it would really go well into February as well. Then there is also the mini kit. There is the doodle. There is the functional, the label 2, which is a really pretty like nudish color, ombre, and then there is also fashion as well. And that is Snow Fairy, exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. The next kit here is so pretty. It's called Mary, and oh, she's just so pretty. Okay, this is art. I think was it from 2020 or 2019? One of those years, I believe. And she needed reformatted. She really did. She's been on my list of things to do for a couple of years now, and I think she's gorgeous. I think this would be really fun. Again, gold champagne lights. That's the vibe for this. There's no other vibe. It's just that gold and champagne lights mixed together, or champagne lights, or just gold. One of those I think would be gorgeous. This one I did reformat the boxes, and I think they turned out so stinking pretty. It definitely gives me like the Barbie vibes, which is just so fun this year. So here's the deco page of the faux gold shimmer throughout, which you know I love. This is just so pretty, so fun, so cute. Definitely need to throw it in there. It'd be also very cute for like a birthday if you're like super into girly things, or whoever it is, pink, Barbie, all the things. Perfect for a quote box there. And then you have some extra boxes here that are just more boxes, more boxes to choose from. I'm in love with this. I think it's so fun. I love the colors. I love everything about it. I also think that this would be really fun for January because it has like all the snow. Like Rand and I don't get snow. I think it'd be fun for January. Like I like leaving my decorations up through January for like taking down decorations because it's just kind of like cute and like fun. And I think that I'm going to use it in January because also extending Christmas kits is kind of my situation. Like however many weeks I have, not enough. We need more. So it also comes in a mini kit. Love this. Do you have any other foil options? I like a light purple would also be really pretty with this, like a lilac. I have decisions to make. So this is the label, and then you have label 2, which is like a gold color, which is really fun. You have doodles. You have fashion here. Some more fashion boxes. So you have a tall, and then these two here. Ombre, functional. That, my friends, is Mary. She's real cute. Real cute. I love the S and C like Santa Claus. It's just adorable. And the K for like it is Jess or Kirsten or whatever. Love it. Then, well, that's everything. That's everything, right? So, except for the pop mystery, which I'll go into. So this is a reformatted pop mystery. It's been requested to be reformatted for the past couple of years, but I've been like, okay, next year. And then I forget. And then, you know, this year, just needed to happen. So if you don't want to know what it is, this is your time to scoot and skedaddle. Thank you for watching. The mystery reveal will be up this week too, because that will be dropped off probably on Monday or Tuesday. So look forward to that on Wednesday, and I'll probably have a haul up on Friday, which is gonna be fun. But otherwise, thank you for watching. But if you want to see a flyby, do a little flyby. Okay, so this is, and if you don't want to see the whole thing, I love you, bye. But this is Magic Morning, and I have been meaning to reformat this for forever. I did reformat the boxes. I think they turned out super cute. So this is exclusive art that is like a Disney inspired kind of Christmas morning energy. Another one I think would go really good into January just because of how stinking cute it is. But I am obsessed with this kit. I was when it came out. I still am. I like as like rearranging the boxes and like doing them like fresh. I was like, oh my God, I just love that so much. And for Lila's birthday, I want to do like a Frozen theme. So I was thinking of using the Frozen kit. If you want to order that, just email me. But I was like, I don't know. Because, like, maybe I'll use the Frozen kit in my non-filming planner and then use this in my regular planner. Because I think that this is, like, just the vibes with, like, some Frozen quotes on it with, like, I don't know. It just, like, can be so perfect. Okay. So anyways, so you have your full boxes here. You have, like, the pretty pink fashion here. You have the movies, cookies, gingerbread house, the super cute mug, the scene, the little kidder over here decorating. I love it. I love everything about it. Boxes here, you have wreath and, like, baubles kind of, like, decorating or undecorating. And then some pillows that are super cute. I love these colors. As far as foil goes, I think that this one for me is, like, silver and sparkly hollow. Like, I think that that would just be phenomenal. Other ones, I think hollow would be really pretty. This hollow and sparkly hollow. I just think that would be a good vibe as well. Anything that's like bright and like shiny, I think is a good option for this one. So deco, half boxes and such, little things, pattern and solid. Again, perfect for a quote. I've been obsessed with quotes. And you're going to see in a kit next week, which y'all are going to lose your mind about. I'm just saying right now, like, y'all are going to just be screaming. I've been loving, like patterned full boxes. And just wait till next week. I'm just going to tell you. I'm so excited. But anyways, so that freebie is the tall Christmas tree, which is super duper cute. Super cute. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. It's annoying. Also comes in mini kit, of course. And then add-on options, you do have just a couple. You have the label, you have the doodle, you have the ombre, you have the functional, you also have the fams. You got the fam 1, you got the fam 2. So cute. Like, this kind of like could be like a you know, adult fashion version, but also kind of gives me tween energy. Does it? I don't know. I just feel like it kind of does. And you got the baby butt, which I just think is also really cute. And then you got 3, 4, 5, and 6, which I just am obsessed with this kit. So if you want to order this kit, it'll be available from Wednesday through Sunday. And it's just so cute, so beautiful, so everything. So thank y'all for requesting for me to bring that back because I just definitely needed to. But that's everything for this week. Everything will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.